안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. I am your Korean mentor. Today we will learn how to use EAO and YEO in a Korean sentence. Korean for beginner. Lesson number 6. EAO and YEO. EAO and YEO have a similar role to that of the English verb to be. In English, the verb to be is changed to am or is depending on the subject of the sentence. But in Korean, you decide whether to use EAO or YEO depending on whether the last letter in previous word ended in a consonant or vowel. If last letter in a previous word ended in a consonant, so we will use EAO. And if last letter in the previous word ended in a vowel, we will use YEO. YEO. So let's understand with the example sentences. It's water. Water mean mul. Mul EAO. So as you can see, the previous word before EAU is mul and the last letter of this word is consonant. So if there is a consonant, we will use EAU. Mulliyo. It's a bag. Bag mean kabang. Kabang. Kabang EAO. So the last letter is yang and the yang is a consonant. So if there is a consonant, we will use EAO. EAO. Kabangieyo. It's an office. Office means samushil. 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 There is a consonant in the end, so we will use EAO. Samushil. It's a school. School mean Hakkyo. Hakkyo. The last word is Hakkyo and the last word ended in a vowel, not consonant. If there is a vowel, we will use Yeyo. Yeyo. Hakkyoeo. It's me. Me mean Joe. Joe. There is no consonant and this word ended in a vowel. We will use Yeyo. Yeyo. Joeo. Joeo. If there is a vowel, we will use Yeyo. And if there is a consonant in the end of the word, we will use EAO. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Download the PDF file from description box. Like the video, share with your friends and ask question in a comment box. And follow me on Facebook page. Kamsamnida. Thank you.